Here I am to teach you how to run a puppet with just a few basic tips. Are you ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to say is that puppets don't bite. This is really tempting to do. It's the easiest thing you can do with a puppet. Okay. No. Don't bite. Puppets never bite for two reasons. One, it can damage the puppet. And two, it can scare the children. Yeah, do not bite, please. No. Okay, the other thing that puppets do not do is preach. Puppets do not preach because we are talking about a real God.
Yeah.
And the puppet is a fictional character. He's not real.
What?
He's not real.
Again?
He's not real.
Okay.
But don't tell the puppet that. Don't tell the children that. But the puppet cannot preach. Have someone outside standing like Floor, you can preach. I could preach. The puppet cannot preach, but the puppet can learn with the children. And the puppet can illustrate something in his life.
Oh, good.
Okay, to run a puppet, I have a few tips. One, when you are moving the mouth, you want to move it with each vowel. Vowel. Alright, horse, can you say hello to Floor? Hello!
Hello, horse.
Whoa. Say it slower. Just the word hello. Hello!
Hello, horse.
No! It was not the puppet talking. It was some voice somewhere. To make it the puppet talking, he has to move his mouth with each syllable or vowel. Hello.
Hello.
There. Now it's the puppet talking.
Yeah.
I am ready for this VBS.
Good. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay. Another thing you want to do is it is easier to move your fingers up and down than it is to move your thumb. But we don't talk like this, so neither does the puppet. Don't move your top fingers. Move your thumb.
Okay, again. I need to put my hand and
move your thumb.
Wow.
Then you can make sure the puppet, here's another tip, make sure the puppet is looking at the person he's talking to or listening to or at the children. So if you have a puppet stage that's like this and you are kneeling behind it, it is easier for your puppet to look up at the ceiling. But then he's looking at the ceiling, he's not talking to the children. You have to move his face down.
I am here. Ha, horse, I'm here. Hi.
Oh, hi! Make sure he's looking down toward the children or toward the person he's talking to. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to change your voice and change the things you say to match the character of your puppet. What would I say? Well, that depends on the puppet skit. So you read the puppet skit, and horse, yeah. In this VBS, you'll learn a lot about what the children are learning about. Oh yeah? And you have to learn a lot. So you have to be ready for all the puppet shows. Whoa! What do I learn? A lot of things. 5 days. Oh. That's another thing. When you are talking using the puppet, you cannot use the face to have expressions. Like I can use my face to go, I'm sad, or I'm happy. But the puppet does not change his face. So you have to use his body movements to have expression.
Okay.
Like here, horse, can you show me what is sad?
Oh.
So he's
Horse.
using his body language to say that he's sad. Okay, now horse, can you be happy?
Oh yeah, that's easy. Are you happy?
Okay, horse, can you be surprised? You use his body to express his emotions. Okay, I think you're ready to run a puppet for this VBS.
God bless you. See you in the next video. You too? Yeah, we need a little bit more flavor. And
Oh.
Cookies, do you want a mango shake?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, bye.